Let's talk about masculinity. Not the version you see in headlines. Not the cliches. The real thing. The quiet pressure to provide, perform, stay composed. To never complain. To always figure it out. And somewhere along the way, you stopped feeling like you. Not weaker. Just heavier. More tired. Less fire. They'll tell you it's toxic. They'll say you need to soften. But what if masculinity isn't toxic? What if it's just exhausted? Because here's the truth. Modern life is burning men out, slowly, silently. You keep pushing, grinding, smiling, but inside something is dimming. You don't talk about it. You don't even have the words for it. But it's there, in your sleep, in your focus, in your drive, in how you show up or don't in your relationship. It's not about being macho. It's about feeling like yourself again. Like the man you used to be before the noise, before the numbness. But here's the twist. You're not broken. You're not failing. You're just depleted. Your body, your mind, your spirit, they're running on fumes. Not because you're weak, but because you're human. And humans were never meant to run on caffeine, stress, and Wi-Fi. You were made to move, breathe, lead, feel. You were made to run on something real. So what do? You go back, not to the past, but to what's primal. What your body actually understands. You sleep like it matters. You train like it's therapy. You eat like energy matters. And maybe, just maybe, you start fueling yourself differently. One small shift. One ritual that reconnects you to your power. Like a packet of real honey. Not sugar syrup. Not a supplement. But wild honey infused with roots, minerals, and fire. Tea honey. Crafted by men who live it. Made in Colorado by U.S. veterans and beekeepers. Raw wildflower honey, royal jelly, bee pollen. Tongkat ali, matcha root. All the stuff your system has been starving for. You don't need more noise. You need nature. You need something real to support who you really are. Because masculinity isn't toxic. It's tired. And it's time to bring it back to life.
Hi everyone, I just want to review this tea honey. It is fantastic. It's one of the best honeys I've ever tasted. It comes with 16 individually wrapped honey packets. Now it's made from premium organic honey, mountain honey from mountains of Colorado. It has royal jelly included in it, vitamins, minerals. Now I use it before my hiking or my exercises. It really gives me that clean energy without the bloating or the tiredness. It is fantastic. I use it about twice a week and I love it.